Hello everybody, this is me again. Now I got another toy review for you. So this time is the Ultraman monster. So here it is. Jiras from the Ultraman Hayata. So yep, he's good. So he's a nice figure. His legs move 360. But I don't want the hands to move because this is not Jiras. I just made a paper, see? So I just wanted Jiras, that's why I made a paper and pretend. So yeah. So he came from the original Ultraman. So the first stop he came up from the water doing his head like that. So Ultraman Hayata appeared because he was checking the city, and he appeared in a island. So he was checking the house in the island, and Ultraman Hayata appeared. It's because Ultraman Hayata friends were in there. So yeah, let's start with scaling. Let's start with Saturn Beetle. Yep, so they're a little bit small, like Saturn Beetle is a little bit small. Yeah. Let's start with King. Yeah. Let's see. They're not about the same size because Jiras is about the bigger one. So, yeah. Let's start with Ultraman Gaia. They're not the same size again. Yeah, so yeah. In the problem in the history, Ultraman Hayata rips his things off, his fur around his neck, these. And I don't want the hands to move 360 or else the paper will kind of rip, you know. So yeah, and comparing with his back, yeah, good. His tail, legs, feet, yeah. So yeah, so the neck and the face. He probably died because he was bleeding his mouth. It was Ultraman Hayata hit him, like kick him in the guts, like through his hands. Now let me show you what he did like with Ultraman Gaia, like that. And so yeah, so his thing came off. He died like this. Ultraman Hayata started getting his fur around back in his neck, and yeah. So this is a nice review. So see you guys later.